Is it a good time to invest in property? That's a question I'm often asked and one I'm going to answer for you in this video. So my name's Simon Zutshi. I'm the author of Property Magic, the Amazon #1 property bestseller. I'm the founder of the Property Investors Network, and I've been investing in property since 1995 and teaching other people how to become successful investors from 2003. So I've seen the market grow, crash, grow again, and you know what? People always say, is now a good time? Particularly people who are new to property investing, wondering, have they missed the best time or is it a good time to invest? Well, there are two best times to invest in property. One best time is 20 years ago. If you invested in property 20 years ago, whatever you bought, you were done very, very well from now, even though the market goes up and comes down occasionally. The other best time to invest is right now, as long as you know what you're doing. You see, if you educate yourself, if you learn the correct way to invest in property, it doesn't matter what's happening in the market, whether it's going up, stagnating or coming down, you could still make money if you know what you're doing. Now, obviously, in a rising market, it's easier to make money. You can buy anything and it will probably go up in value. In a stagnant or falling market, it's a bit more tricky. But if you know what you're doing, there are still great opportunities. And in fact, when the market's falling, there are more opportunities than when it's rising. You see, when the market's rising, any seller has got the expectation or the hope that someone will come along and offer them more money for their property. However, when the market's falling, especially if someone really needs to sell, they're keen to sell that property. And if they believe the market's coming down, if the general media thinks the market's coming down, they're going to be motivated to sell it quickly and might well give you a bit more of a discount just because they don't know how far the price could go down. Now you might be thinking, well, hang on a minute, if the price is going to go down, why don't I wait till it hits the bottom and then I can buy? Well, there are a couple of things. First of all, you'll probably not get it right. You won't know when it's hit the bottom and coming back until everybody thinks it's coming back. And as I said, when the property market's rising, sellers are more optimistic that someone's going to come along and give them the right price. So actually you can negotiate a better discount when the price is coming down. The other thing is, as I said, if you know what you're doing, it doesn't really matter when you buy. So why not just educate yourself, make great investment now and plan to hold for the long term? You see, sometimes people worry, they say, well, if the market comes down, I'm losing money. Well, that's not actually the case. If you had to sell a property for less than you bought it, well, obviously you've lost money. But if you don't have to sell the property, if you can hold on to it and allow for the market to recover over time, then you're not losing any money at all. So it's very important to make sure that anything you buy creates positive cash flow for you. And you might look for the other video I've done about the 5 golden rules for successful investing. I put them into Property Magic. It's a video about if you're going to be investing, if you follow these 5 golden rules, you can minimize the risk and maximize the return by simply following their step-by-step guide. So maybe go and look for that video. It will help you if you're investing. But the short answer to the question, is now a good time to invest, is yes, now is always a good time as long as you know what you're doing. If you've got any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like this video, why not subscribe to the channel, because obviously we're posting lots of great content for you. Each time we bring a new video out, you'll be notified about that. So come and subscribe, and I encourage you to invest with knowledge, invest with skill.